to the sibling I never had. You left us long back, but you still reside somewhere deep in my heart, and I can't resist myself to think about you. It's been years when life happened to me and my parents. My tender heart always craved for someone with whom I can play, I can fight, I can tease, and whatnot. And then suddenly one day, I got the big news that you are residing in my mom's womb. I was on cloud 9 and my heart and mind started to build castles of dreams. I started to imagine the moments I'll share with you, and you have no idea how much excited I was. And then something happened. Something which totally shattered me. I was probably 8 or 9 years old when my mother had a miscarriage. And I wasn't strong or mature to handle all this. All I was thinking was that my castle of dreams broke into tiny pieces and there was no one. There was no one to fix it. I hid my tears, for I wanted to show my parents that I'm strong enough to handle this mishap. But inside, deep inside, I was crying like hell, and an anonymous deep silence was eating me. Today it's been more than 10 years, and whenever I see any baby poster, I imagine your presence by my side. Now when I think about those thoughts and moments which I wanted to share with you, the fights which I wanted to have with you, the love I wanted to shower on you, all these things block my view. And my heart still craves for a sibling. I never saw you, nor I cursed you, but I still miss you and will always do. Somehow I've accepted the reality, and my wish of having a sibling is something which I suppress the most. I hope you are happy and safe wherever you are. And maybe in some other life I'll be blessed to have you. No matter how many years pass by, you'll always be in my heart. I miss you.